And like what you said, Neil, for the Cherry EV crossovers, Mylene Paat part of the starting lineup here in set number 3. Batista. Popped up by Atienza. Negrito goes to Schwan. Got it.
We might see both reinforcements in the 30-point mark at this rate.
Not going to be surprising.
And we've had a lot of 30-point performances from the foreign guest players on the other teams.
Schwan looking for back-to-back. This one a little low, but no problem. Back-to-back points for Coco Schwan, which made it difficult for them to come back. Not a good pass. Well, we mentioned at the Cherry EV crossovers.
Feel like kailangan nilang itaas yung efficiency ng attacking nila because in set number 1 and 2, mas naging efficient yung Cherry EV crossovers. Set number 1, Creamline had a 23% conversion rate. Cherry Tigo had 29%. Set number 2, 28 for Creamline, 32 for the Cherry EV crossovers.
And there is the first attack point for the 1-point game again. Negrito to Gumabaw. Bounces it off the block. Nierva goes to Mylene Paat. She has the hot hand. This time turned away. Bang! Panaga picking up where she left off. And serving to tie it again. For the Cherry EV crossovers. Maraño with a good serve. Gumabaw off the block. Gumabaw coming off her first double-digit game. 10 points here in the Reinforced Conference. Paat, very efficient evening for Mylene Paat. She's got 6 already.
Her best to help her team get their second win.
Negrito on 2. Robles loses the battle at the net. Running attack. Gaston got it again. Gaston now with 7.
Still a good option for Alina.
Well, thanks, Jules. Tots Carlos is bringing it. She's got 9, but Galang so far only 3 points. It's been Gaston, 8 points already.
Pero it's very visible that she's a good defender in the back row. She's also a good receiver. And yun yung sinasabi nila Coach Sherwin na all-around player si Coco Schwan. Kaya saktong-sakto siya sa system.
And right on cue, Schwan with 21 already. Another bad pass off a serve. Robles sending it over. This is a chance ball. Combination play. Gumabaw is rejected. Ties the game at 11 with an error overpass. Paat can't put it away. Then Lazaro Revilla pops it up. Here comes Carlos again. Rejected this time by Maraño. And for the first time, Maraño with block number 2. That's her 3rd point of the match. Gumabaw.
That's the set for Michelle Gumabaw.
Panaga serving. Nika Celis in the game. 23rd pick in the 2nd round. Maraño and company back on top by 1. Good serve. Gumabaw down the line. Got it. One lady striker. We've got a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. What a 3rd set between these two teams. Huge rivals in the PBL. Another overpass. Oh, but Kyle Negrito ever ready. Along with Lori Bernardo. First game back after not playing against the Thunderbells. And Bernardo off the block. With an 8. Meanwhile, it's Tots Carlos with 9. 2nd leading scorer for the Cool Smashers. Right behind the 22 of Schwan. There's 23. Meanwhile, for Batista, it is 22. Batista going for 21. Got it.
Every time
Smile on the face. You're able to see Batista smiling. Good serve by Gaston, but a better pass there by Carlos. Schwan. 24 now for Coco Schwan.
There's a reinforcement.
Negrito will have Schwan, Panaga, and Gumabaw up front. Batista. Coverage by Paat. Batista tries again. Off the block. Kept alive by Maraño. Batista, 3rd straight try. Ooh, Atienza with a wonderful block. There's another block by Maraño. Nierva back to Batista. Tough shot. What a thrilling rally. Schwan again with an off-speed hit. Alina Picard's got a full front line as well. Paat, Maraño, and Batista. And there is a block against Xuan. A first shutdown we see. Great serving by Bicar. And hit. There's a touch on the Panaga point. Top of your screens, 10 points right behind the 25 of Coco Xuan. Good pass by Nierva. Paat. Atienza to Tots Carlos. And Tots Carlos with back-to-back points.
2-point lead is gone for the Cherry.
11 for Carlos. 9th deadlock of set number 3. Batista looking to untie it. The dig goes over for Negrito. Maraño rejected by Gumabaw. Batista tries again. Yes! Lead back to Cherry. Vargas back in again. Paat for the lead. There's a net touch they call against Celis.
Cesar Robles might be suffering from cramps.
Good pass. Gumabaw against a single block. Batista pops it up. Chance to make it a 2-point lead again. Carlos with the dig. Carlos rises. Rejected. 2-point lead for Maraño and Cherry. Carlos in the middle. Cool Smashers led by as many as 3. And it wasn't a big lead. Chance ball now. Opportunity to tie. Carlos. Good save, but it goes over. No, overpass as well by Gumabaw. Adorador hits. Carlos again. 2 blockers. Batista, Nierva, Adorador with the easy over. Chance ball for the Cool Smashers. Carlos from the middle again. This one popped up easily by Batista. Paat. Atienza back to Carlos. Carlos working extra hard.
That is an understatement.
5 over 13 coming here in set number 3. Tied game at 23. Paat for the lead. Nope. Easy over. Now chance for the lead. Carlos delivers. Yes, he does.
He's getting all the sets from Kyle Negrito, and he has been converting.
Set point for the Cool Smashers. Bad pass. Off system play. Shaya. Now a chance to put it away. Go to Carlos. Why not? Nierva with a dig. Batista from the pipe. 1-2 for Negrito. The save. It's outside, and a come from behind win.